Welcome to Farnworth. We're here to look at this extended semi-detached family home which is offered for sale with no further upward chain delay. As you can see, there is a skip on the drive at the minute, but that will be moved in no time whatsoever. Good driveway that leads up to the garage, and the garage is pretty much the full width of the property, so it is quite long. Property's built in brick. I'll just spin the camera around just so you can see it's a cul-de-sac just up here. The position is really smart because behind the property you've just got woodland. It has that rural feel to it, yet we're in a relatively urban area, and it's a lovely link between the two. So fantastic position, recently improved property. Let's go inside and we'll have a look around. So we've stepped inside and we're in the reception hallway. You can see we've got this lovely stained glass rose detailing to the front door. We've got the ground floor guest WC to the left hand side as you step in. So it's a two-piece suite, wash, hand basin and WC radiator. The whole property's been decorated, including the downstairs loo, and then we step from the hallway into the living room, which has the spindle staircase off to the first floor. Nice big UPVC window to the front. Quality flooring. This pretty much runs all the way through the ground floor, and we've got the double doors off to the dining room and the kitchen where we'll step in. Understairs storage space just there, and the turning staircase off to the first floor. As we go through the double doors, we're stepping in to the kitchen diner. So it's a professionally fitted kitchen with an excellent range of matching drawers, base and wall cabinets. There's a water dispenser with the fridge on here, a dishwasher, oven grill, electric hob and extractor over. Nice finish with the cabinet and the work surfaces, and it's the same finish there which extends into the breakfast come dining table. Really nicely presented kitchen diner, and you could almost have this open up into the lounge as well if you wished. From the dining area we step into the conservatory. So UPVC windows to all sides and double patio doors off to the rear garden. There's a central ceiling light and fan. And this is the angle looking back towards the kitchen diner, of course. So we'll have one last peek in the kitchen diner, step into the lounge, and then go upstairs to see the 3 bedrooms and the bathroom. So we've stepped upstairs and we've come up the stairs from the living room where we were just looking onto the first floor landing where there's a UPVC window. Drop down opening for the loft access point. Again, neutrally decorated, it's nice and bright and fresh. Master bedroom we've just stepped into, so we've got quality flooring down, lovely professionally fitted furniture giving 2 double wardrobes, bedside units, bridging cabinets, display shelving and dressing come study space as well. UPVC window to the front, radiator. Whilst we're at the front of the property, let's just step into the bathroom because this is very well presented. We've got a nice corner jacuzzi bath, WC, pedestal wash hand basin and heated towel rails, stylish arch-shaped mirror, plenty of spotlights to the ceiling, storage space, and let's not forget we've got the shower over the bath. Lovely bathroom suite. 2 additional bedrooms to see. So bedroom number 2, again fully fitted. 6 drawers, 4 wardrobe areas, bridging cabinets, display shelving, study space, dressing space. Very well presented, stylish light fitting, good quality flooring, UPVC window, and this is the aspect to the back of the property. So when we was at the front, I was mentioning it's just woodland behind. There you go. Really, really private. So that's bedroom 2. We'll have a quick look in bedroom 3, then we'll have a walk out onto the rear garden. In fact, what we'll do is we'll have a look in the garage first before we look at the rear garden. So we've stepped into the garage. This is the vehicle access door, of course, at the front, which is served by the driveway. So there is private off-road parking as well, but this garage is an excellent size. So I just thought it was worth us stepping in and having a look before going out into the rear garden. So there's power, there's lighting in here as well, of course. Plenty of room for a car. And to be honest, you could probably use this as workshop space, storage space, whatever you wanted. Really useful addition to this family home. So we've stepped outside and we're in the rear garden. And as you can see, the garden's fully enclosed. There's patio space, which is accessed both straight from the conservatory and also from the garage. Fencing to 3 sides, and we've got the mature woodland to the rear, so it's not overlooked. It's really a quiet and peaceful position. I'll just hold the camera just a little bit over just so you can get your bearings and have a little look at what's there. So it's really, really nice. Very, very quiet and yeah, peaceful location really, yet you're still close to train stations, motorway networks, shops, schools, etc. It's a lovely juxtaposition. Sold with no further upward chain, as you can see. I think this is a smashing example, a semi-detached family home which has been improved in the summer of 2023. Any questions, any queries, please give us a call. It's Cardwell's Estate Agents, Bolton, 01204 381 281. Thanks so much.